Brake repair or replacement with Arman Motor Garage. Brakes squeaking, grinding, clunking. Do they feel squishy or unresponsive? Don't wait. Get them looked at by a trained professional at Arman Motor Garage. If you don't, you could be doing further damage to your brakes, drums, calipers or rotors. If you have a question whatsoever, bring your car in for a brake system inspection. We won't make up some complicated diagnosis. Sometimes the answer is as simple as a slight rust buildup on the brake pads that can be fixed with a simple cleaning. Other times a more serious brake problem could need immediate resolution to keep you and your family safe on the road. It is always a good thing to get your brakes looked at once a year and possibly replaced. The next time you get your tires rotated, ask us to take a look at your brakes too. There is nothing more important to us than your safety, and we will make sure that when you leave us your car is safer than when you first brought it in. Our mechanics will make sure you get back on the road with safe, noise-free brakes. Call now for an appointment for all over Mumbai, Thane, New Mumbai on 913 crore 70 lakh 34,530, or use book the doorstep service within 500/visiting fees, within 20 km from Kurla or Malad, and in 1000/visiting fees, for more than 20 km from Kurla or Malad.